So here's how to calculate mean in Excel. So let's get started. First of all, you need to select a cell that will contain the mean value for you. So select a cell, and from the formula bar you will probably see the formula insert formula function option. So you need to select that one, and from here you need to select the average and go with OK. Now from the number you need to select the number. So for my case I'm going with these like that, and simply go with the OK, and there you have it. So that's how you can simply calculate mean. So if you wanna mean all of these, you can simply do that by moving your cursor onto the right, and when your cursor look like this, simply drag it right side like that. That's how simply calculate mean in Excel. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like, and we'll see you pretty next time.